So hey guys, sorry that I started the first few seconds of the video like that. It's for the thumbnail. Sorry, my eyes are watering. I stared. So this is what was in the road yesterday. It's still here. And if you have not seen my video called What's in the Road, then go check it out, obviously. And anyways, my sister's gonna play with that. And I'm going to just talk and say that if this video gets 2 or more likes, I will pour ice cold water on my head. Sorry, the sun's like right on my face. So yeah, I'll do that. And yeah, so if I get 2 or more likes, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe, even though this isn't even the end of my video. But anyways, yeah. And then go follow me on my Musical.ly and my Facebook on my Musical.ly, which is just Cooper Kylie, and friend request me on my Facebook, which is Cooper Kylie also. So yeah, today I thought it would be nice to do nothing. I don't have anything to do. So, I will, sorry about the wind. Sorry if it's really loud, the wind's really loud and it's distracting me. Sorry if you can't hear me, I'm yelling right now. The wind's really loud. Probably loud on the audio. Sorry if not at all. And I was just yelling. I don't know. I haven't seen the video yet, so I'm making the video. I don't know how it turns out every single day. My sister was being very rude and yelling in the background, so just excuse that. Anyways, so yeah. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. So if you want me to pour ice cold water on my head, then hit the like button and remember to subscribe. So, bye guys!